अच्छा जी, तो सलाम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। तो क्या है जी, पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कि ऐसी चीज़ें दिखा रहा हूँ तो वर्थ करती है कि आप सब्सक्राइब कर ही डालें, क्योंकि आज जो मैं चीज़ दिखाने जा रहा हूँ इस सीरीज़ में वो है जो कि आपने पाकिस्तान में या इंडिया में शायद कम ही देखी हो या बिल्कुल नहीं देखी हो। ये अमेरिकन का सिस्टम में यहाँ पे जो पावरफुल बाइक्स यानी कि मोटरसाइकिल अलाउ हैं, वो शायद पाकिस्तान में या इंडिया में इतनी ज़्यादा पावरफुल शायद वो अलाउ करते नहीं हैं, या करते भी होंगे तो इतनी ज़्यादा उसकी वो पैसे चार्ज करते होंगे टैक्स वगैरह के, ये बड़ा मुश्किल होगा लोगों को वो हासिल करना वहाँ पे। तो मैं ये कर रहा हूँ कि मैं इस सीरीज़ में 1 या 2 वीडियोस बनाऊँगा जो कि यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ़ लोगों के पास, जिम का मैं ओनर हूँ यहाँ पे, तो जिम के जो मेरे मेंबर हैं उसमें से कुछ लोगों के पास बड़ी अच्छी अजीबी गरीब किस्म की बाइक्स हैं, तो वो मैं दिखाऊंगा, उनका थोड़ा सा इंटरव्यू भी लूँगा और कोशिश ये होगी कि कुछ थोड़ी सी ड्रोन फुटेज भी हो जाए ताकि आप उसको चलते हुए भी देख सकें। तो ये मेरी एफ़र्ट है। पहली बाइक मैं इस वक्त शुरू कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे दिखाना आपको। ये जो है इसका नाम इंडियन स्काउट के नाम से मोटर बाइक है। तो लेट मी शो यू समथिंग ऑफ दैट नेचर हेयर फर्स्ट, एंड उसके बाद जो है ना फिर मैं आपसे मज़ीद बातें करूँगा। तो ये बाइक जो है वो मेरे जिम के मेंबर की है। इस कदर जनाब खूबसूरत डिज़ाइन हुई भी, और इसकी सारी टेक्निकल डिटेल में थोड़ी देर में आपको बताता हूँ उसी से इंटरव्यू करके कि भाई इसकी टेक्निकल डिटेल्स हैं क्या, कि इसकी पावर क्या है क्या नहीं है। ये जो पीछे मुझे पूरी चेन नज़र आ रही है इसकी, तो वो चेन भी ज़रा डिफरेंट ही किस्म की है, कुछ स्टोरेज के बैग्स वगैरह भी हैं और इतनी ज़बरदस्त किस्म की मुझे लगती है। और आप देखें तो इसकी सीट्स जो है ना वो कैसी ज़बरदस्त खूबसूरत लेदर की बनी हुई हैं, और ज़ाहिर है 2 लोगों के लिए उन्होंने बनाई है। तो एक तो ड्राइवर है, ज़ाहिर है वो इस पर है, और जो पैसेंजर है वो यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी लाइट सपोर्ट भी दी हुई है इसकी, और उसको उन्होंने कंटिन्यूटी में पूरा सिस्टम बनाया हुआ है। ज़ाहिर है फ्यूल टैंक के आगे, और जब मुझे नज़र आ रहा है कि इसकी जो रेंज दिखा रहे हैं मीटर के ऊपर वो अप टू 200 माइल्स पर आवर की दिखा रहे हैं। माय गुडनेस, 200 माइल्स पर आवर। मैं पूछूंगा उससे कि उसने कितनी तेज़ तक चलाई है अभी तक ये बाइक, तो उससे से आइडिया होगा कि वो अब तक कितनी स्पीड पे इसको लेके गया है। मेरा ख्याल तो ये है कि वो 120-130 माइल्स पर आवर की तो चलाई होगी, क्योंकि ये टिकट मिलने का भी ख़तरा होता है ना, तो मेरा उम्मीद ये है कि इसने इतनी स्पीड पे तो चलाई होगी। लेकिन ये कि ये बाइक है बड़ी खूबसूरत। अब मैं उससे इंटरव्यू लेके मज़ीद पूछूंगा कि भाई इसकी स्टोरी है क्या। आई एम हियर विद ब्रायन ओवर हियर। So Brian is the owner of this bike, which is I just showed you a few minutes ago, and I'm going to ask a few questions from him to understand. So Brian, how long do you have this bike?
I had this bike for over a year now.
Over a year.
Yeah.
Before you had some other bike?
Yeah, I had a 2002
Okay.
Honda Shadow 600.
You can say whatever you like to. I have no clue.
Okay, yeah.
No, whatever that one is, but that was too some more powerful or less?
No, it was less powerful.
Less powerful.
So I just learned how to ride a bike last year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you are new to this
Kinda, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got used to it on the Honda. And then
Honda.
yeah.
Honda is, I'm familiar with Honda. The
Yeah.
reason is you don't know about that, but in our country, popular bike is used to be, when I was there, Honda 70. 70 is 70 cc. And then some people have Honda maybe 100, and they
Yeah.
become very powerful.
Yeah.
The most I have seen in my country is about 175.
175?
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So I have no clue compared to 175 where we are with this one.
Yeah.
So what?
This one has 1333.
1333.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
No,
So
my
almost
bad. 1133.
1133.
Yeah, 1133.
So it's about compare if I say 200 for my country, so it's about 5 times roughly of that power, or 6 times basically.
Yeah, it depends on the bike though. Since this is a cruiser,
Right.
1100 cc's kind of works differently than that
Okay.
other
So
bike
we
would.
call it cruiser. Cruiser means it is a long distance kind of,
Yeah,
but it's not like a sports bike. We do,
I guess this one is more. It's called a bobber.
Okay.
So what bobber means is like kind of like the fenders chopped off, minimalist, and I definitely put these drag bars on, and they're not comfortable. They're
Okay.
not comfortable at all.
drag bars means
Drag bars means it's just straight,
It's
rather
straight, okay.
than like what you see some people holding it up here.
right.
This is really not that comfortable.
Okay.
But I love the look of it.
Yeah, and that's why I'm interviewing you, because this looks amazing.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never basically sat even on the back seat about this kind of bike, but this name is Indian Scout. So this
Yeah.
is I'm assuming some company.
Indian is the American company.
Okay,
yeah.
American
and
company.
Scout is the model.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Indian company is comparable to some other
Harley
bike?
Davidson.
Harley
yeah,
Davidson.
it's,
Okay.
I would say Harley Davidson and Indian are like direct competitors of
Okay.
each other.
Because I have not seen that many Indians yet.
Yeah,
I'm
they're
not
not.
that familiar with anyway. But
Yeah.
so Harley is more common.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They corner the market, but from what I'm in reading, Indian is the fastest growing motorcycle, but
Okay.
they're not the biggest.
Okay.
Harley's still the biggest.
Okay. So you have bought new
No, it was actually used and only
Okay.
had 400 miles on it when I bought it.
400 miles. Okay.
The girl I bought it off of, she was afraid of the power.
Ah.
So I was able to get it from her for about $8,000.
Okay. Otherwise, normally
Normally 12, 13.
12,
Yeah,
13,000
13,000 brand
American
new.
dollars. Okay.
Yeah.
So but you paid about 8,000.
Yeah, I paid
which is still
8,000.
serious money.
Yeah.
You can buy a
Yeah.
decent car.
And then I put a lot more money into it
Okay.
with all the other customizations I did to it.
Okay. Which means it went to about 10,000 perhaps.
Oh, more than that.
More than-
Yeah, I've spent. I probably put like-
Customization is always expensive.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
I probably put another 4 to 5 grand in it.
Oh my God. Okay, so roughly in
Yeah.
that age. So any reason for these mirrors to be a little bit down?
I like them like that.
Okay.
There's no reason for it.
Okay, I'm just
Yeah.
asking. I have no clue. I say.
So if I wanted to put them on top, there's little
Okay.
little pegs right here that I
Okay.
can put the mirror on.
Okay.
But I prefer them bar end. It just fits the style a lot better.
This is style. Okay.
Yeah, it keeps a low profile.
Okay. So let me ask you. It's not a thing which police is going to watch or see.
Okay.
How fast you have gone on this bike?
I have gone, I would say 130,
Okay.
and I haven't maxed out the speed yet. I
Okay.
don't know how fast I can go yet.
Okay.
It depends on how heavy I am, the
Right.
way I'm sitting on it, but the fastest I've gone is 130.
130.
Yeah.
Which you can recall, maybe more, maybe less. Because the reason I see it here, obviously 120, it seems to be very easy to read.
Yeah.
And after 120, it seems to be, let me show you what I'm talking about. 120 easy number to read. After
Yeah.
that, it's a little bit closer to each other. 120 to 200 is kind of small area.
Yeah.
So, but you don't have any reason
Well,
why?
well, I mean,
They don't want to encourage it.
Yeah, I'm just assuming like because this is like the actual speed that
Yeah.
it's like reasonable you're
Yeah.
about to get.
Okay.
After you get to 120,
Yeah.
which is before I did all the mods, it was hard to get 120. But
Okay.
once I did all the power upgrades to it,
Okay.
it was easy to get a little bit past to that.
So you have even done power upgrade on this
Oh
one?
yeah, I've done power upgrades.
Okay. By the way, it has a belt, and
Yeah,
over
belt.
there I have seen chain.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between belt or chain, if I may ask?
It depends on what you want. So the R1 over there, belts flex a little bit more.
Okay.
More cruisers are gonna have belts because
Okay.
cruisers are gonna have chains too because that's more old school. But if you want to go for a lot of power, a lot of torque, chains are a little bit better because they don't flex as much. So if you put the power down, a belt's gonna flex a little bit. A chain isn't.
Okay. But chain lasts longer or belt?
It really depends on
Okay.
how you ride it, honestly.
How many miles do you have already, do you know? Remember?
I have about 5,000
5,000?
miles. Yeah.
Okay. But you drive for work?
Everything, any time that I
Anytime.
can drive, I love riding. But,
Okay. So most of your time you drive this thing, wherever you go.
I
For
try not
your-
to
for-
ride for an hour or more on this thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what I would like to know.
I can ride
Yeah.
an hour, but like after an hour, oh no, it's
Yeah.
it's not good. It's
Yeah, I have seen people cross country, but this is not for that kind of purpose.
no,
Okay.
not at all.
So that is assuming two-seater,
Yeah, it's a 2-seater. Yeah.
but first is comfortable, second one is somewhere there behind. I'm assuming.
So I had this like kind of customized. So
Oh,
this
you
is like,
too. This one too. Okay.
Yeah, so this is customized, and then this is so they're both like the original factory one, but I
Okay.
had it, I had it reupholstered, and I had a belt made to match all right here. So because I like that a throne look almost.
It's beautiful. It's
but-
very beautiful.
Yeah. If I'm not riding it for an hour or even 2 hours, because I've ridden it to Tahoe, and
That
it was
is-
all right. You get used to it. Eventually, you get numb.
Okay.
And then that's all right. But an hour and a half, I think you're good.
Okay. Okay. So I have no idea, but for me, I thought that maybe you can go for 4, 5, 6 hours easily.
I'm sure it can.
No,
Easily,
bike can
no.
go. Bike has no problem going, but it's obviously you who will be getting a little bit uncomfortable. And the shocks over here, is this your, or this is how it came?
That's how it came.
Okay,
Yeah, the shocks
okay.
are how it came. That's
And
one
they
thing
are-
I want to change though.
make it more comfortable or more?
So I want to be able to get a little bit more lean angle out of it. 'Cause
Okay.
This is a really, really low bike.
Okay.
So I can't really lean it all that much.
Okay.
So I kind of get left in the dust when I'm riding with my other riding buddies
Okay.
because they're able to take corners
Okay.
a lot more aggressively than I can. For
Okay.
me, I end up, if you can see,
Yeah.
I scrape so
Oh, yeah, yeah.
easily. Yeah, I scrape
This
so
is-
easily,
okay.
and that's
Okay.
normal. But
Okay.
yeah.
The tires. Obviously, this is for this one. How expensive they are tires?
So these tires are not the tires that came with it.
Okay.
The tires that came with it were a little not really good for the road. They were for style. So these are Michelin Commander 3s,
Okay.
and they're so much better for the road. They
Okay.
last a lot longer too.
Roughly, if I may ask, how cost
For the set, it's about $400.
$400. So kind of similar to a car,
Yeah,
$200
yeah,
something. Okay.
$400.
How many miles they give you roughly?
Man, off the top of my head, I think it's like 10,000
Okay.
miles.
Okay, the car tires goes about 30 or 40 something.
Yeah, so
okay.
yeah, bike tires.
Because they, okay, got it.
The rear
So-
tire wears out faster than the front tire, so I would have to replace that one before I replace that one.
Understood. Okay, thank you for your time.